In this exercise, we will learn the SMART object. We will learn the main and basic features of this option. Basically, SMART objects are used to keep the quality of the image intact during the resizing of an image. Okay, let's see how this option will work. I have opened an image. Let's duplicate it by pressing the Ctrl and J key and make this layer into a SMART object by right-clicking on it and choose Convert to SMART Object. Okay, now if I make this image very small, something like this, and also make this layer very small, now both images are very small. If I make this layer big, like this, we can see the image has lost its quality. Let's hide this layer, and let's make the size of the SMART object layer bigger, like this. We can see the quality of the image has not changed. It remains as it is. I always use this option during work. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the transform option.